So August is over, and do you guys want to see how much my little recipe blog made for that month? I'm excited to share this one because it's my new highest month as far as what I've made with my blog so far. And I'm just really excited because I was staying about the same every month for a little while now. It's been about 3,000 something steady as far as what I'm making on my ads. But this month was in the 4,000s, which I'll share that exact number with you in just a second. But first I wanted to show you guys like how much page views I had and how many sessions I had. So I had 96,000 sessions in the month of August and about 116,000 page views, which is amazing. I'm super happy because I remember when just hitting 100,000 page views was one of my goals, and I've reached that, and I just can't tell you how happy I am because, as you guys know, it doesn't happen overnight. This has been such a long journey. Mine has been all over the place, but that's also kind of why I share these numbers, just to show you that you can get to 100,000 page views or whatever your goal is, and sometimes it takes longer than others. I am not one of those like overnight success blogs. Mine took a lot of time and effort, but I got there, and hopefully I can just keep going up. And now, how much did those 116,000 page views make me for the month? I made $4,668 just with ad income alone, and I'm so excited and proud because that's definitely my highest month yet. I hadn't even hit 4,000. Last month was 39. I was just under 4,000. And then this month, 4,668. I'm just that much closer to 5,000, which personally is one of my goals. I'd really like to consistently reach 5,000 a month as far as income for this blog. So I'm really close. I'm putting in so much extra work. I've shared in other videos different strategies I'm taking and just really focusing on pumping out content right now. I was, just my schedule and my own personal life, it was hard for me to get new posts out, especially being in the recipe space. It takes so much work to actually sit down and shoot a recipe, write it. It takes time to get those out. So I'm working in some more parenting content back to what I used to share in the beginning, like crafts, activities, stuff like that. Trying to fill the gap, the times where I'm can't get a recipe done. I'm trying to fill that with just more parenting content that goes along with, what I've shared in the past and what my Pinterest is kind of centered on. So that's a personal goal for me. Oh, and as far as my traffic, the top 3 sources are still Google, Pinterest, and that little direct bucket keeps getting higher and showing up that I still have not drilled down to figure out where that's coming from. But I am not changing anything there as far as my strategy. I'm sticking with what I've been doing on Pinterest and SEO. I have some videos on exactly what I'm doing there if you want to check those out. But if you're not subscribing yet, help me out, subscribe, and stick around for just free blogging tips and knowledge that I'm sharing as I learn on my own blogging journey. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like this too. Thank you so much. If you guys have any questions on anything I've shared, as always, feel free to ask me in the comments. I love talking to you and other bloggers. Thank you so much.